Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over the importance of wrapping edges on all of your paint protection film installations. So here we have a 2016 Dodge Ram. This thing had a partial front end on it. The hood PPF is still on. I took the fenders off already. You can see the gap. You got anywhere from an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch in some areas, all the way around of exposed paint over here. Now on the fender, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but you got these marks here. These marks, I've actually cleaned this already. This is actually deep cuts into the paint. So you can actually stick your fingernail in there. So the only way this is getting repaired is you'd have to pull this off, sand it down and repaint it, which the customer is not gonna do. We're just gonna clean it up with some touch-up paint and then put some film over top of it. So if we come along across the front of the truck, you can see it's a very inconsistent cut line over here. I fear that when we pull the PPF off, you're gonna have cut marks all the way along the hood as well too. Right over here, you got a couple big fat stone chips. This is why you wanna wrap your edges, to prevent those stones from chipping the paint here. You know, coming around, you know, there's some damage underneath there. And then just all the way around this hood, there's no wrapped edges and there's damage. So in this video, I just wanted to go over the importance of wrapping edges and highlight a few of the problematic areas as to why you would want to wrap your edges. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content.